my name is Emma. I'm 28 years of age and I'm from Northern Ireland and I'm a teacher in Nanjing, China. And we're going to have a look around my apartment today, so let's go. Okay, so this is the entrance to our apartment building. Majority of apartments have a single entrance like this. They usually all have security codes just to keep it extra safe. This is quite a nice community that we are in. We have security guards at all gates, so it makes it nice and safe for us. I live on the 9th floor with my partner. We've been living in this apartment block for nearly 2 years now. So yeah, we're gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna go the whole way up to the 9th floor. A lot of these apartment buildings go as far as up to even like the 50th floor, but I'm comfortable with just being on the 9th. I think anything more would be a bit too much for me. Okay, so this is the door to our apartment. We had it nice and decorated before we arrived. The entrance to our apartment is key only. A lot of apartments come with maybe some codes or fingerprint scanning, but ours is quite old school. We still have a key. This is our apartment. Our apartment is quite open planned, as you can see. Here we have like our sitting room area where we like to watch TV and chill out after a long day at work. So we have a nice big sofa. Originally it was this bright purple colour, but we were able to go to IKEA and buy some nice coverings. One, because we didn't particularly like the purple, and two, because we didn't want to dirty the sofa either, so we bought a few different cushions and coverings. The living room is definitely the most used room in the house. This is where all our friends come together. This is where we come and sit and watch movies, and after work we just want to sit here and chill out together. So this TV came with the apartment. We were lucky that the landlady changed the TV for us so that it had a HDMI cable for us to plug our laptop in and stream some Netflix or Amazon Prime. Over here we have a nice big air conditioning unit, which is really important during the summer. It is so hot during the summer, so without it I just don't know what we would have done. It also works like a heater in the winter as well, because the winters here can be incredibly cold, especially if you are above the Nanjing area. It can be incredibly cold, so without some sort of heating unit we would all be pretty lost. So we're going to go have a look at our utility room. Okay, so as you can see, here is our drying racks. We've got two. We've got an outdoor sink here, which is great to have, and we've got a Western washing machine. So having the extra utility room is really great for us, just to keep washing our clothes and everything separate from the rest of the house. Okay, so before we go into our kitchen, this is supposed to be our dining room area. As you can see, we just kind of use it to store all of our things. We don't really eat here, but we have had a few friends over, a few guests over that we've cooked for, and it came in really handy. Just through these doors is our kitchen. Come on in. So this is our kitchen. It's not overly big, but it has everything we need. We've got a lot of counter space, which is great. So we have two gas hobs here. Most apartments only come with two. Here we have a microwave and a portable oven. Now our apartment didn't come with these, but that's fine. We were able to purchase them online or at a Walmart or at IKEA at a really reasonable price. I'm pretty sure for our oven we paid $30 roughly. It was a great buy for us because we use it all the time, especially in the winter. We can make jacket potatoes and give us a wee touch of home instead of eating rice and noodles all the time. So this is our wash area. We've got two great big sinks, and then just here in the corner we've got a kettle, a rice cooker and a slow cooker. Here you can cook soups and you can slow cook meat, so it's just really handy to have. Again, all of these things were relatively inexpensive, maybe $20, $30 each. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the bathroom, so just this way. Just through here is our bathroom. We've got a nice big double shower. Out of all the apartments that we looked at, this was the best shower that we had. It has 2 different heads, and we've got a good modern style sink. And as you can see, we have a Western toilet. A lot of people are worried that when they go apartment hunting, they might have to go with having a squat toilet, but that's very rare. Majority of the modern apartments now, they all have Western toilets, so don't need to worry about that. So another great thing about our apartment is the amount of storage we have. We are so lucky the amount of storage we have, especially me being a girl. I have so much stuff. So this is my wardrobe where I store all of my things. Then in our bedroom, my other half, he has his own separate wardrobe. Again, it's a big, huge double wardrobe as well. So it's really handy. So just this way to have a look at our bedroom. So as you can see, our bedroom's pretty big. We've got a huge bed, which is fantastic. All of our covers and blankets. These all came from IKEA and Walmart. They aren't far from us, and nearly every major city has an IKEA or a Walmart now. And above here, we have another air conditioning unit. So again, in the winter for heat, and in the summer for air conditioning, it's just really great to have. So when you're apartment hunting, it's really important that you look for those sorts of things. If they're not there, you can ask your landlord to have them fitted. And here is my other half's storage area. So this is his wardrobe here. I think just because of the amount of stuff that we both have, it was best for us to have separate storage units. So I just thought it would be important to point out that this is actually a 2-bedroom apartment, not a 1-bedroom. We have a spare bedroom just through here, but you're not going to see that because it is incredibly messy and we just use it for storage. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of our apartment. I hope it answered a lot of questions for you and helps you when you come to choose your own apartment once you get here. So thank you very much and see ya!